Hello, ma'am, sir. I am Jezreel, 48 years of age, a single mom of three kids, aged 26, 21, and 20, two girls and one boy. I'm a college undergraduate, taking a Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. My first employer here in Hong Kong was in Taipo, finished contract. Uh, Two adults and two kids, age 9 and 5. Usually, I send them to school, picking them up, send to their activities, like that. Cooking also, cooking, and all wash their clothes, ironing, marketing. Uh, and then my second one is here, my current employer, taking care of 75 years old disabled man. And I will be finished on June 27. As of now, I'm looking for a new employer, and I'm willing to take care of pets, kids, and elderly too. Um, as a helper and as a second mother of the child when parents are not around. If the kid is sick, the most important thing to do is uh, give them comfort and care, allow them to rest, and give them plenty of fluids like water, juice, or broth to prevent them for dehydration. And consider soothing activities like playing games or reading books. And of course, monitoring their symptoms if they are getting better or worse, and just if they are not feeling well or not better, just contact the parents or ask the professional advice. And I can manage my time for daily household chores like marketing, cleaning the house, tidy up the stuff, uh, ironing, um, cooking, and of course the picking up and sending the the kids at the school or their activities. And as a helper, I need to work out the good relationship for gaining their trust. I will work hard and willing to listen and learn as well to be respectful and to be honest with my work inside and outside the house. So I hope you can consider me as your new helper. I will be responsible enough to my daily work. I work hard for it and to gain your trust. And I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and promise to do my best. Um, and of course, I promise to finish my contract happily. Thank you and God bless.